Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find your spam folders, also called junk emails in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. First, on Outlook desktop, just open Outlook and look at the left side bar. Now scroll down until you find junk email. That's your spam folder. If you don't see it, right click it on your account name and select update folder. Now, on Outlook.com, sign in and check the spam folder listed on your left-hand side bar. If it's hidden, then click on More Folders and expand. Now, in the mobile Outlook, tap the menu icon on the top left side, and this will open the panel. Now here, look for the junk emails, and that's it. You have now know how to find the spam folder in Outlook of any device. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.